Chapter 37 Movies based on novels. Some movies have been inspired by famous novels. To know more, move on to next part. First, Rajendra Singh Bedi. Anurag Anand is an Indian artist, corporate professional, and author with several best-selling titles in the self-help, general fiction, and historical fiction genres. His corporate experience span across industries like pharmaceuticals, fast-moving consumer goods, and financial services. Second, Munshi Premchand. Premchand is among the greatest short story writers and novel writers of both Urdu and Hindi languages. The adherents of Hindi literature calls him Upanyas Samrat, that is the king of novel writing. Third, Gulshan Nanda. Gulshan Nanda was the Indian novelist and screenwriter. Many of his novels were adapted into Hindi films in the 1960s and 1970s, including more than a dozen big hits of the period: Kajal, Kati Patang, Khilona, Sharmili, and Daag. Fourth, Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay. Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay was a Bengali novelist and short story writer of the early 20th century. Fifth, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, was published in 1956 and it received the John Llewellyn Rhys Prize in 1957. Bond has authored more than 500 short stories, essays, and novels, which includes 69 books for children. Sixth, Amrita Pritam. Amrita Pritam was an Indian novelist, essayist, and poetess who wrote in Punjabi and Hindi. A prominent figure in Punjabi literature, she is the recipient of the 1956 Sahitya Akademi Award. Seventh, Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat is an Indian author, columnist, and YouTuber. He was included in Time magazine's list of world's 100 most influential people in 2010. 5 of his novels have been adapted into films. 8. Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was an Indian writer in English, recognized for his depiction of the lives of the poorer caste in traditional Indian society. 9th, Anurag Anand. Director and producer whose work spans culture, horror, education, comedy, and documentary. Anurag is also obsessed with choosing the best medium and style for the message.